guys, and welcome back to my vlog channel. It is quarantine day. I don't know. Anyways, so welcome back to my vlog channel. Today is Saturday, and today I'm going to cook me some breakfast, and I want to focus on cleaning my room today. Even though my room has been clean for the past few weeks since I've been in quarantine because I've been bored, and I just don't like when my room get messy, especially when I'm in it 24/7. But anyways, last night me and my little niece had an epic girls party, and today my room is looking like this. So I'm going to focus on actually cleaning my room today. Luckily I already washed my clothes, so I don't have to do that. But anyways, I'm hungry. I'm going to cook me some breakfast. So let's get into the day and see what happens, shall we? Pew. So here's my breakfast, well, brunch, because it done got later. Anyway, I'm just cooking the grilled cheese. Well, I just cooked the grilled cheese, and I'm about to watch some YouTube videos, probably Alicia Marie's video. So breakfast is done. I just got done eating my breakfast. I'm full. So right now I'm watching a PB, Pretty Basic. I love the podcast. I love the channel. I just love it so much, guys. If you do not know, I have a podcast of my own. It's called DJ World. Link will be down below. Go follow me on all my social medias, because all of that will be in the links below. Alright, so right now I want to focus on cleaning up, and when I clean up I want to get dressed, do my hair, and then start exercising, because I do want to start exercising now, because you know we're in quarantine and there's nothing to do, so I'm going to exercise after that. So let's get started on getting up and cleaning up.
You saw me back and I fell up, please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too, don't be afraid. Give me your love, baby, give me your hand now, and I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but nothing would happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me all you can. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away.
Sorry I look like I'm red. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. But anyway, it's probably because my curtains. Let's see. Yeah, it's because my curtains. My curtains are purple. Yeah, it's because of that. Anyways. I'm tired. I am sweating. Yo. When you haven't worked out in maybe 2 months, this is what happens. You like gotta catch back up where you were. And today it was so hard on me. Oh, I can't even hold my phone. That's how freaking tired I am. Y'all. Oh, I'm tired. I'm tired. Like, look at my face. Like, look at my face. Look at this. Like, I look like I've been working in the freaking field all day. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Like, oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna go obviously take a shower because I'm sweaty and I feel disgusting. So I did do my workout. I think almost an hour. I did an hour workout. So I'm proud of myself. And the time is currently 5:12. So I'm about to take a shower. When I get done taking a shower, I'm gonna eat. So yeah. I look terrible. Just got out of the shower and this is my lazy outfit. Anyways guys, so right now I'm about to eat. My mom had bought me some chicken. Let me show y'all what she got me. She got me a little meal. I'm about to warm this up because she bought it to me like an hour ago. And I didn't eat it yet, so I'm about to eat this for my lunch. And yeah, and after that I'll probably do my hair and my makeup and stuff because I'm tired to look like this. Anyways, let's warm some food up. So I got my food. I really hate how I look like this. Let me just try to, that looks a lot better. I just gonna say, let me try my ring light. If you did not know, I do have a mini ring light. And I don't use it for my vlog channel, but today, honey, we're gonna have to use it. I mean, yeah, we're gonna have to use it because I don't know what's going on with the freaking lighting in my room. I guess because my purple curtains are making everything look red. That's why I can't wait to start filming on my original camera that I do have. I just don't have it. Like, I gotta, you know, just learn how to really use it. Well, I know how to use it because I know how to use the camera. I mean, I want to be a photographer, so I took classes, but I just gotta find the right computer. Like, I got an old computer, so I need an updated computer and some good software and stuff like that in order for me to do that. But anyways, so I got some Arizona. Y'all can't see it, but it's in my cup. The lemonade kind. Show y'all my meal. This is not a mukbang, by the way, because I look hot in this. But I'm gonna watch some YouTube on my iPad. I got some macaroni. 2 cups, because the cups are small. I got 2 cups of that. Then my box is all kind of messed up, screwed up. But whatever. We ain't here for the box. So I got the chicken tenders and the french fries. And the mac and cheese. So yeah. So I'm about to eat. Oh, and I got some ranch to put on my chicken tenders and fries. Cause I don't know why I love ranch or Chick-fil-A sauce on my fries. Bomb. Or if I don't do any of those, I like to mix up mayonnaise and ketchup together. Bomb. I haven't tried it. Y'all haven't tried it. I used to do it all the time when I was back in high school. Yes. What am I doing? Oh God. I'm so lazy. Yeah, I used to do it all the time back in high school. But anyways, I'm gonna eat and watch YouTube videos. I will see you guys in a minute. Let me stop. Alright guys, I'm gonna curl my hair because I'm tired of this. Like, I just can't go another freaking second with my hair looking like this. So I'm gonna curl my hair. I'm gonna do a little time lapse and I'm gonna turn this bad boy on. I'm gonna do some one curls and stuff like that. Real cute. I'm gonna do it like an updo, maybe an up and down look. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and let's get started. Just a little bit. I need to like finger the curls because they're a little, you know, just gotta comb the curls out a little bit. I already did this side. I gotta do this side now, but I think it's a little cute little. It's definitely better than earlier for sure. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna do my makeup and yeah, so I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Done, and I look so cute. Alright guys, so sadly it is time to end the vlog. And it's because I have to do a main channel video. So I can't really tell you guys what the main channel video is because I'm pretty sure it's not going to be out yet. So yeah. Blah, 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 blah. You guys can't hear it. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have not already, girl, just subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Do not forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment down below. Alright, bye guys. I love you guys.